Hey friends, today I'm going to be sharing with you all a DIY project for the exterior of our farmhouse styled home. I hope it gives you guys inspiration for an idea or concept in your home. And today we're going to be making a DIY leaf packages here doormat. And I'm so excited because today's video is in partnership with Cricut. So I'm so excited to share with you how you guys can make this in your house too. First thing you're gonna need to do is open up Cricut Design Space, and I used the simplest font, which was free, and it was named Abrima. I would love to give a very special shout out to my little boy Brody, who is our lighting guy in today's video. He also loves going through our vinyl right here, and I need to figure out a special spot to store these to make it kidless free, but this is as best as it's gonna get right now. When I created my title on Cricut Design Space, I made sure to make it under that 12 inches. That way I wasn't wasting any vinyl and everything could be printed on one sheet of vinyl. I also highly suggest you use your least favorite vinyl on this project because it will obviously get thrown away after the project is done. Now it's time to hit that go button and get my project printed away. This took less than a minute to do, which was so awesome because this project I wanted to get done while my kids were eating their lunch today. Now I'm taking off the piece of vinyl from the mat, making sure that I get the whole piece off because I'm going to use transfer paper to get it on that doormat. And before I get questions on this, the best price I have found for a blank doormat is actually at Home Depot. So that would be your place to go. It's under $10 and it's kind of in the flooring and tile section, at least in our Home Depot. And I'm using this little guy to take off each of the pieces of vinyl. I guess if you had another DIY project, like if you did your personalized name, these little guys would be perfect to be able to save, to make a sign off of, or another project if you had your last name or something like that. So just an idea, that way you're extra saving your vinyl. You could get 2 projects done in one.
Hold up just a minute, been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah, been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore, 'cause I've been looking for something to change thoughts into motion. Been waiting way too long, yeah, waiting just for somebody to.
Now this transfer paper seems like such a silly step when doing the DIY doormat tutorial, but it helped me a lot with lining up my lettering as well as making sure it got on there really, really accurately and with a breeze. So I do highly recommend that you do that. I have had mine for probably over 10 years now, and I've never had to buy any more of this transfer tape, which is absolutely great. I also wanted to add that this vinyl will not stick perfectly to your doormat, so you just want to be really, really careful when taking off the transfer tape for this project. Now when we got outside, I used tape and I covered all the areas that I did not want to get spray paint on. This was black. I did not want any overspray because it's gonna make it not look as nice. And I will tell you this now, I did not go far enough. So if you're doing these letterings, I highly recommend you cover the whole mat that you do not want spray paint on. Got overspray, and I'll show you guys that here in just a second. You won't see it actually until all of the tape is taken off. And yep, there it is. You guys see it? So what I went ahead and did is I got creative and I used tape again and I made stripes. I thought that this was gonna give it a really, really cute look, and maybe it would be a great way to get creative and think outside of the box. And I will tell you this again, this was another ultimate fail. I think it's so fun sharing the fails of DIY projects because I have done a lot of those and I've never shared those fails. I did peel and stick table. That was a nightmare for my kids' playroom, and I really, really wish that I would have shared that with you all here. So you guys are gonna see right here, this just honestly looks like a nice hot mess. Look at that. The one thing I was really proud of with this DIY was the leaf packages here. vinyl cutouts. It honestly took no time at all, and with electronics, I feel like I am always just failing at that. And so I was so happy that this was so easy to do, and it was just the little things that I needed to work on. And so I was so happy when we tried again, and we didn't start over the project, we just continued again, and we decided to put tape over the lettering portion to make sure that wasn't sprayed over, because we loved that so much. And we decided to spray paint the rust black. So bold, so cute, but it's gonna look phenomenal on our buffalo checkered huge doormats, because I love layering things. So I'm so excited to share with you guys how it turned out. Let me know in the comment section down below right now. Pause this video. Let me know, is it gonna turn out? Is it not? And then watch till the end, you guys, because we're gonna see if this was a total fail or a total victory. Next, we're gonna use Flex Seal Clear. This was highly recommended by the associate at Home Depot. She said it's great for doormats specifically, so I took her suggestion. And you guys, I'm so happy with the way it looks, especially on this buffalo checkered doormat. Now the people that leave packages know to leave it at the front door instead of in the pouring down rain. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.
But it's too late now, I just miss you. I just miss